Aaniin, Jonny Dishnikaz, Ashkigamang Donjba, McKinnock Dodam, Anishinaabemowin. Hi, my name is Jonny. I'm from Curve Lake First Nation. My clan is Turtle, and I'm an Anishinaabe man. Welcome to Hello Aaniin, a show about Ojibwe language and culture. On this episode, we will be discussing Binashiug, birds. Binashiug. But first, I'd like to take this time to make mention of dialect and its importance to each and every Ojibwe community. I come from a community called Curve Lake First Nation, and we are part of the Mississauga Band. And our dialect may be a little bit different from the others that you hear around Ontario and beyond, but let's be respectful and remember that all Ojibwe is good Ojibwe. Miigwech. Amba, Mashtara. Let's get started. Now let's take a look at some Binashiug. Most of these videos were shot in my community, and I bet these Binashiug, these birds, are also in your community. Let's have a look at them. Binashi, bird. Binashi. Binashiug, birds. Binashiug. Migize, eagle. Migize. Shuggy, crane. Shuggy. Mong, loon, mong. Misko Binashi, cardinal. Redbird, Misko Binashi. Deedings, blue jay. Deedings. Ondag, crow. Ondag. Papasa, woodpecker. Papasa. Me, dove, pigeon, me. Namat Gokashis, house wren. Namat Gokashis. Siganok, red-winged blackbird. Siganok. Siganok, blackbird. Siganok. Kokoko, owl. Kokoko. That was my Granny Claypole's favorite. Kokoko. Mishe Gigonke Yagek, great fishing hawk, osprey. Mishe Gigoke Gagak. Jishib, duck. Jishib, Naka, Canada goose. Naka. Mizissa, turkey. Mizissa. Nanoshkashi, hummingbird. Nanoshkashi. That's a big word for a tiny bird. Pitche, robin. Pitche. Let's take a look at some Benashi anatomy, some bird anatomy. We'll start with Mr. McGizzy. Shkijgon, eyes. Shkijgon. Conge, beak, conge. Wings, Ninguiganon.
Yeah, it might be a
Miguas, feather. Miguas. Miguai, feathers. Miguai. Shkunjig, claws, talons. Shkunjig.
Megizze, eagle. Megizze, eagle.
Megizze, eagle. Megizze.
Megizze, eagle. Megizze.
Aaniin. McGizzy Dishnikaz. This is how you say eagle in Anishinaabemowin. McGizzy. Eagle. McGizzy.
Aaniin, Katie Ndijnikaz. This is how you say eagle in Anishinaabemowin. Megizze, eagle. Megizze.
Aaniin, Theo Dishnikaz. This is how you say eagle in Anishinaabemowin. Megizze, eagle. Megizze.
Aaniin, Emily Dijnikaz. This is how you say eagle in Anishinaabemowin. Megizze, eagle, Megizze.
Aaniin. Saba Dishnikaz. This is how you say eagle in Anishinaabemowin. McGizzy. Eagle. McGizzy. So we're familiar with some bird words. Now let's use them in a sentence. Dewabma misko banashi. I see a cardinal. Dewabma misko banashi. Nde nondan. Mishe gigonkakakak. I hear an osprey. Nde nondan. Mishe gigonkakakak.
Miguas, feather. Miguas, feather.
Miguas, feather. Miguas.
Miguas, like a feather. Feather off of a bird. Miguas.
This is how you say feather in Anishinaabemowin. Miguas. Feather. Miguas.
This is how you say feather in Anishinaabemowin. Miigwech, feather. Miigwech.
This is how you say feather in Anishinaabemowin. Miigwech, feather. Miigwech.
This is how you say feather in Anishinaabemowin. Miigwech, feather, miigwech.
This is how you say feather in Anishinaabemowin. Miigwech, feather. Miigwech. Ginita Gigid, you're a good speaker. Thank you for participating in Now You Say It. If you, the viewer, would like to participate, look for the QR code, scan it, and send it in. I'd love to hear Anishinaabemowin. Miigwech. Miigwech, Gewe, Benashiag, and Nagamwat. Thank you for the birds that sing. Miigwech, Gewe, Benashiag, and Nagamwat. Miigwech, Kachimadido, Kinanoj Gagon. Thank you, Creator, for everything. That'll bring us to the end of this episode. Now we know more about Benashiag, birds, Benashiag. So when we're outside, taking a walk, enjoying our bikes, just being out in nature, we might see a Benashi, a bird, and we might know its name, right? We might see, if we see a woodpecker, we might say, oh look, it's a papasa, a woodpecker, papasa. Dewab ma papasa, I see a woodpecker. Dewab ma papasa. And remember, it's okay if you forget some of these words. If you need a catch-all word for a bird or birds, for a single bird, you use Benashi, bird, Benashi. For birds, you use Benashiag, birds, Benashiag. It's a good reminder that the language is all around us. And you may notice that I'm wearing a Wilquan, a hat, during this last part of our show. And I wanted to share with you a couple bonus words with my Wilquan, with this hat. So if we look closely, we see a thunderbird. We say Benassi, thunderbird, Benassi. And up top, if you look at the word, it says Gnu. And that means golden eagle. Gnu, golden eagle. Just another reminder that the language is everywhere and that we should be proud and honor that language of the land. Thank you for watching Hello Aaniin. Until next time, Miigwech, Wawana, Guabmin.